This is your code book. So in this video we are going to discuss about another conditional statement, if-else statement. So we know that the conditional statements are used to change the flow of our program execution. So what is mean by if-else statement? In this if-else statement we are going to check one condition. If the condition is satisfied or if the condition evaluates to true, then the true block statements are executed and the false block statements are skipped. So another name for this conditional statement is selection statement. So based on the outcome of this condition, so the condition evaluates to either true or false. So depends on the outcome, a true block or a false block statements are selected. So it's purely depends on the outcome of the condition. So this is what these conditional statements are called as selection statements. So in this if-else statement, the condition is evaluates to true, the true block statements are executed and then control goes to next statement. So another case, if the condition evaluates to false, so the false block statements are executed and then control goes to next statement. So look at the syntax: if condition colon and then true block statements, else colon false statements and then next statement. So depends on the outcome of the condition, either true or false block statements are executed. So what is the example program we are going to discuss under this if-else statement? So write a Python program to check whether a given number is odd or even. So let me write the program. So the program title is odd or even. So runtime we are going to get the input values from the user. Enter a number. So x is equal to int input, enter a number. And here look at the syntax: if condition. So the condition may be some expression. Okay, so to find the given number is odd or even, if so x, the modulus operator, we know that the modulus operator always evaluates to remainder of the operation. So x modulus 2, if the remainder is equal to 1, okay, if x modulus 2, either we will get 1 or 0. So after this modulus operation, if the value is equal to 1, so x modulus 2 equal to 0. So x modulus 2 is equal to 0. We can say print even number else print odd number. So after this operation, if the condition evaluates to true, okay, so that is x modulus 2. Let me run the code. So if I am giving 8, so look at the expression. So x value is equal to 8. So 8 modulus 2. So it evaluates to 0. So 0 equal to 0, the condition satisfied, which means evaluates to true. So the true block statement is even number that is executed. So if I am running the code, run the code again. So I am giving 5. So now 5 modulus 2 evaluates to 1. So 1 equal to 0 condition is not satisfied. So the control goes to else spot. So we got odd number. So this is the use of if else statement. So most real time problems we will use this if else statement. For simple example, if you are going to unlock your mobile phone, if you entered pin number, correct pin number, then it will allow you to the next level. Otherwise you are in the main screen. So that is the one of the use of that if else statement. So this is about if else statement. So let me show the this visualization of this program. So the link is available in description. So click this visualization execution. So here the first two statements are comments. So the Python interpreter skip those statements. So the next line to execute is the third line. So x is equal to int input, enter a number. So here you just give the input. So enter user input. So I am giving 8, submit. So look at the here. So x is the 8 is assigned to x. So now if x modulus 2 not equal to 0. So this is the another way. So previously I have given x modulus 2 is equal to 0. This is the another way to find the number is odd or even. So x modulus 2 not equal to 0. Click next button. So the control goes to line number 7 without executing this true part, because the condition evaluates to false. So the control goes to else part. Click next button. So you can see here the even number is printed on the output screen, and then control goes to the next statement. So the control comes out of the if statement, if else statement. So click next button. So thank you, the program is terminated. So let me run the code again. So this time I am giving 5, submit. So if the condition next, so the control goes to true part, because this condition evaluates to true, the condition is satisfied. So click next button. So now after executing this true block statement, so control goes to next statement, that is after the if else statement. So click next button. After printing thank you, the program is terminated. So this is the visualization of this odd or even number program. So this is the source code. So the source code is also available in description. So thank you. So in this tutorial we discussed about the if else statements. Thank you once again.